Something that we've all dreamed about, and after that loss Wednesday, we kind of put a little bit of pressure on ourselves, but I mean, what better night to do it than senior night, us as seniors knowing that this is our last time playing in this gym to go out and win the outright championship like that. It was great.
What did it feel like to be up there and cutting? Exactly when you're cutting the net, what does that feel like?
Feels good to me.
Can you move the mic, please?
Scott and I think Junior was there, Reggie. So I knew that we would have a pretty good team. I mean, I didn't know we would win the ACC and things like that. You can never predict that, but I think we had a chance.
Kenny, how much fun do you think the next few weeks can be?
It's gonna be really fun, man. I love those, one and done games. Just either you win or you go home. So everybody get their 110%. So it's gonna be great.
Senior Julian Campbell.
Nowadays, there's so much emphasis on the NCAA tournament, even the ACC tournament. One game, anything can happen. What does it mean to win the regular season championship?
It means a lot because the regular season, you think about it, it's a body of work, and it's so many different teams you play. Every team plays a different style, and you have to come and play your absolute best basketball. And the further you progress, as teams get to know you and know what you're going to do, it makes it more difficult, and you have to make adjustments. And our coaching staff does a great job of doing that. But we take great pride in that. But at the same time, we want to continue to take it one game at a time going into the tournament, knowing that we have all the tools possible to win a championship. But we have to do what got us here to win it.
What has been the team model all season as gotten you guys to this point?
One thing the coach has always tells us is play hard, play smart, play together, and have fun playing with our friends. I mean, this is a game we've been playing our entire lives, and we live for these moments. So just having a chance to play basketball against these guys at the highest collegiate level, I mean, it's a great privilege for us, and we try not to take it.
Benny, how important was it not just to win the regular season fight, but to win a game in the regular season, going to the ACC, and hopefully it's going to
It was very important. I mean, we were trying to get our confidence back up a little bit, to Duke and Georgia Tech. So we just wanted to come out and be able to share the ball and put the ability.
Was there a little different feeling coming into this game as opposed to coming into the other night's game?
Not really. I mean, we always want to play the same way. Same defense.